coffee. I put soft top on it as well, so I'm just getting a mouthful of whipped cream. I was pretty doubtful that I was gonna be able to get anything up this week. I mean, that's also me every week. This past weekend was just extremely rough. And I'm still kind of recovering slash working through it still. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't, when this kind of stuff happens and it's just like a hard week and you kind of just don't feel like saying a whole lot. Yeah, so that's kind of how I am, but I wanted to still get something up. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just make like a whole random montage of all of the footage I'm getting off of my camcorder. It's like 3 months worth of footage. It's not like a huge amount, but it's 3 months worth of like random footage off of my camcorder. I thought I would just make a random little thingamajiggy of everything. I mean, they're fun and a lot of good moments, so I feel like editing them will kind of lighten my spirits a little bit. And maybe for you as well, if we're like in the same boat. Maybe this will just like be fun for you to watch. Yeah, this is just like a mix of people, friends, my siblings, yeah, so, but it might be fun for you to watch, so if you think that it will be and you want to stick around, then just like, then watch through, or if not, that's okay. Or if you want to go and watch, a video of me actually talking about something of importance, in my opinion, then I have like other videos of that too, but it's just been a week. It's been a week, it's been a month, it's been a year, and yeah, life happens and we carry on. Anyways, yeah, enjoy.
Holy shit.
The gulags.
We should get the little set. Little mirror. I don't want to get these shits dirty. These aren't hiking shoes. I didn't buy them for that. Trying to get like an aesthetic video. Getting my oxygen tank. Where's the Prius? Coming out. You see it coming up this? You're like, what the fuck? What's happening?
I don't know.
Mr. King, you are the two guys starting music with us. And then he was like, I'll never forget. Give up. Come on. Little bit of conscious. Little bit of conscious. Let's see it.
Gonna be done rocking, gun is funny, ain't no, y'all can copy, yeah, move walking, it's it, my body's been on Broadway, and we did it all with low music, I shit my skin in for my bones, with everything I record to it, and yeah, I'm all lit the stage light going, shine on there, got that vibe on the soup, every my time, money, stay my crack, take it around for those masks, that's all for my town, trust me, all my A-N-T-E-P-E-N-T-E-N-T, this is Jesus, I was 14 and I'm going that bustin', that's across the city of the back, bustin', ladies out, yeah.
What's the next part?
I don't know.
Here's that. Anyways. Yeah, we go back. This is the moment. Another night. We're back to the over. But I see the get older. But I see the get older. Hello.
Actually?
Oh!
Kind of does actually.
Good smell, then. Hey, Avery, what you been doing?
Vlogging right now?
Right now? I'm just taking out my little handy cam.
So, we got these ones.
Oh, I didn't even recognize you.
Got these ones. And then we got these ones. Wait.
Those ones.
These ones? Hey, bro.
What are you guys doing?
Don't put this on camera. Really embarrassing for me, I know. Being of my height and stature. Kedra thinks she's cool.
You don't
So
think she is?
everyone else can wear sunglasses and I can't.
I
Yeah.
like those sunnies.
I like those
You put them on.
Okay.
I like these sunnies. I quite fancy
These
them.
sunnies are nice. Quite fancy them actually.
What a wanker.
Hello, my brothers.
Brother.
My brother.